Assalamu alaikum and Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Today we will be making this very delicious, simple chicken salan. So let's begin. First off, we're gonna start off with half kg of chicken. We're adding in 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon zira or cumin seeds, half teaspoon salt or to taste, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. And then we're gonna go ahead and add in 1 small chopped onion and 5 chopped tomatoes. We're also gonna add in half cup of water, and we have this on low to medium heat. And we're just going to cook this for about half an hour. We want to mix in the ingredients, make sure everything's in there. I'm going to put in half teaspoon of paprika powder. Mix that together. And we're just going to cook this until we get the desired thickness. Here is the finished delicious result. Garnish your simple chicken salan with chili coriander. Thank you for joining us in Azaz Amna Kitchen. Subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff, and have a good day. Thank you.